Hello, hello. This is the My Artifact episode number 2400 and 2465. Today's date is 1 February 2022. वाजले आता रात्रीचे 8 वाजले. Sorry, it's a morning. It's morning 8 a.m. not night at 8 a.m. Literally cold here. Yeah. The weather is 14 degrees Celsius. Yes, quite cold. But it's a little bit of sun. I am actually soaking up vitamin D from sun, so it's good. Great. Every time I wake up, na, like when I was wake up at morning, I was constantly thinking about ki, like actually I am so much obsessed with this number and things like that. Number means the YouTube YouTube studio, how many people watch my videos, how many people will subscribe my video, and so on and so forth. Okay, there are so many numbers, and when I watch those numbers, I feel really bad. I feel really something that key, like my number is not really good. Like I didn't really get any views, any subscriber. It's just nothing. Yeah, it's just nothing, and that make me feel something that ki I wanted to be question myself ki I wanted to question myself like what will be this is exactly happened, uh, like how you work out. Okay, it's not really work out, like it just kind of like a whatever the thing you put on, like a whatever effort you do, it's just nothing. Yeah, you didn't really get any views or anything, and you just bit really hopeless. Okay, I'm actually scared of my no, actually I think that key this is a part of the process and you have to go through that process. This is all I think I know, but let me tell you one thing key, it's just like this process is actually very lengthy. Okay, but it's not linear, dude. Success cannot get in just a one overnight. You have to be put lot of effort in it. I put it na. No, you didn't really put it. Okay, you just you just did almost like 8 hour of work or maybe 10 hour of work, and you think that you will get something. No, it will not. This is not the social media work at all. No, it's not. You just have to keep improve yourself, make your craft even better, and this is all those things you have to do, and then after that things will work out. So don't be hesitate. Don't be think something like that. Ki it won't be possible. No, it is possible. Yeah, you just have to put yourself in something really calm position that you have to do your work continuously. And but sometimes I just need to say something now about, yeah, just say it. Yeah, just like whatever the thing you wanted to be inside of you, just spit it out. Okay, when I seen the other people around me is growing faster than me or faster than, I don't know, I seen that ki I am failing. I seen that ki I'm failing. I seen that ki, like actually so many people are actually so younger than me. Those people are achieved so many things in their life, and I'm actually 28. Actually I completed 28. Actually I am 29. It's running 29, and I am still not earning any money. I'm living at my parents' house. That is so hopeless, na. Yeah, it's like very much. I didn't want it to be my life is exactly I wanted to. No, no, I just wanted to be get things by my own. Okay, I just don't want to stay at my parents' house. I just like I just wanted to get out from here. Why? Like, what is exactly reason? I don't know, yeah, dude. It's just like I don't want it to live it. And is there is no reason at all? Like, let me tell you, like I am 29 now, dude. What exactly do you expect at 29, at your age? This is the same thing I'm expecting. Like at least I earning little bit of money that I can satisfy myself. Like a satisfy means like a whatever the things I need and just getting some things respect from my father and things like that. Like my father don't supposed to think like that this is the hopeless and things like that. No, I wanted to be change thing inside of me. And well, if you are saying this thing, it will be this is not okay. You just have to put the lot of effort in it. So what is your today's plan? So today's plan is that ki I will make the intro sequence, okay, and whatever the B rolls required, I will shoot it and I will edit the intro sequence. But still, I will not say that ki intro sequence has to be done till today. No, there are so many things required, and basically I'm struggling with the music. Like I wanted to be make music is really good, and I'm actually focusing on that thing. And as also I'm actually focused on the music level indicator. Like basically the my last project is actually I didn't really focus on the music, so most of the sound effects is actually the sound of the sound effects is actually much bigger than my voiceover, so people don't really hear it properly. So I will definitely improve in this project. And yeah, and I will submit that project. Maybe I will complete my intro sequence till 4th of February. Today is for 1st of February, so yeah. And let's keep on doing your work, okay. And also one thing is that play your game at 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Do not play any other time, because of that if you play games after those particular period of time, then it will be disturb some sort of works too, okay. You can edit your video at whatever you need, but do not play a game, okay. Yeah, copy. All right. So there is nothing more to say. Everything is fine, is good. There is it. Thank you.